I'm happy every day as I travel through this land. We've been mighty blessed by God, and we are holding to his hand. The journey's almost over. Oh, the battle is already won. And I have a feeling in my heart, the best is yet to come. The best is here. When thank you, counselor. I can hardly wait. He showed me to a mansion. Lord, he says this is. And I keep coming. We're helping somebody. I'm standing now and worship as you come. Oh, the storms and clouds are raging, but we're happy down. Good God, I see that. To take me safely home, and I have a. The best is yet to come. The best. Do you believe it tonight? For somebody who is devastated. We're helping somebody in Westmoreland, Hanover, Trelawney. We're helping somebody in Clarendon, somebody somewhere. Oh, and I have a feel the best is yet to come. I'm standing now on Jordan's bank as I face the rolling tide. The storms and clouds are raging, but we're happy now. Lord, the best. When I walk heaven's gate, the first time I see Jesus, I can hardly wait. Anybody else? He says this is your home, and I have a feeling the best is yet. Yes, the best. I see people still coming. The first time I see Jesus, I can hardly wait. He showed me. Lord, the best. Lord God, the first time I see Jesus, I can hardly wait. He showed me. He says this is, and I have a feeling the best is yet. Clap your hands for victory, everybody.